Okay, question 22, a simultaneous equation question. So we've got two simultaneous equations here. 3x plus 2y equals 4 and 4x plus 5y equals 17. I'm going to call the top equation equation 1 and the bottom equation equation 2. And I'm going to refer to them as equation 1 and equation 2 from now on. So let me just have a look. Now what we want to do is we want to eliminate either the x's or eliminate the y's. Now there's two different ways of doing it. You could eliminate the x's or eliminate the y's. In this case I'm going to eliminate the y's, and in order to do that I need to have the same coefficient, that's the same number in front of y for both of them. Okay, so I need the lowest common multiple of 2 and 5. The lowest common multiple is 10. In order to do that I'm going to take equation 1, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply everything in equation 1 by 5. Multiply everything in equation 1 by 5, and we get 15x plus 10y equals 20. So multiply everything in equation 1 by 5, and that won't change anything. Okay, equation 2, I'm going to multiply everything by 2. So I multiply everything by 2, and I get 8x plus 10y equals 34. So that's everything in equation 2 done. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line underneath them, and I'm going to do equation 2. No, let's do equation 1 take away equation 2. Okay, so I'm subtracting everything in equation 2 away from everything in equation 1. So 15x take away 8x gives me 7x. 10y take away 10y is 0. They cancel out, which is exactly what I wanted. And then 20 take away 34 is minus 14. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide both sides by 7, and we get x equals minus 2. So now I know a value for x. What I can do is substitute that in. I'm going to substitute it into equation 1. Okay, so I'm going to sub x equal to minus 2 into equation 1. So that gives us 3 times minus 2 plus 2y equals 4. 3 times minus 2 is minus 6 plus 2y equals 4. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add 6 to both sides. I'm going to add 6 to both sides of the equation. So we get 2y equals 10. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 2. So we get y equals 5. Okay, and you can check your answer here by substituting x equals to minus 2 and y equal to 5 back into both equations and making sure that they work out. So do remember to do that in the exam, because that can certainly save you some marks if you've made a mistake.